Hello everyone, my name is Tetti and my student ID is 2361012. In this video, I will demonstrate a micro teaching session for teaching writing. The topic of today's lesson is writing a descriptive paragraph, my favorite place. In this lesson, you will learn how to generate ideas using the quick write strategy and develop them into a short descriptive paragraph. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's look at the learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first generate ideas about your favorite place using a quick write activity. Second, organize your ideas into simple sentences. Third, write a short descriptive paragraph consisting of 4 to 5 sentences. And finally, you will be able to express your personal ideas more confidently in writing. Now, let's begin by observing this picture. Please look at the picture on the screen. This picture shows a place that people often visit during their free time. To help you think about the picture, I will ask a few guiding questions. What place do you see? What can people do there? How does the place feel? This question help you activate your background knowledge and start thinking about place that you like. You can also share simple ideas or keywords related to the place. Next, we will do a short activity called Quick Write. In this activity, you will write about your favorite place. The purpose of Quick Write is help you generate ideas quickly without worrying too much about grammar or spelling. You can write words, prose, or simple sentences. For this demonstration, you can write for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Remember, the focus of this activity is your ideas, not correctness. This activity helps you feel more confident and less afraid of making mistakes when writing. Now, let's look at an example of descriptive paragraph. Please read the paragraph on the screen. This paragraph describes a favorite place, which is the beach. In this example, the writer explains what the place is like, what activity can be done there, and how they feel when visiting the place. A model text like this helps you understand how ideas from the quick write activity can be developed into a complete paragraph. Okay, next, let's look at the structure of paragraph. A simple descriptive paragraph usually has two main parts. The first part is the topic sentence. The topic sentence tells us the main ideas of the paragraph, or what the paragraph is about. The second part is supporting details. These sentences give more information about this place. For example, you can describe where the place is, what activity you usually do there, and how you feel when you visit the place. Understanding this structure helps you organize your ideas more clearly when writing. Now, let's try to build a paragraph together. First, choose one idea from your quick write activity. Next, create a topic sentence. For example, my favorite place in the beach. After that, add supporting details. You can describe the place, explain what you usually do there, and share how you feel when you visit the place. By combining the topic sentence and supporting details, you can gradually build a complete descriptive paragraph. Okay, now it's your turn. Use your ideas from the quick write activity and develop them into 4 to 5 sentences. Remember to include a topic sentence and several supporting details. This activity will help you practice organizing your ideas and expressing your personal experience through writing. Okay, last, before we finish the lesson, let's reflect on what we learned today. Today, you learn how to generate ideas using quick write strategy. You also learn how to organize your ideas into a descriptive paragraph with a topic, sentences, and supporting details. Through this activity, you can become more confident in expressing your ideas in writing. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.